All right, Abby, let's show everybody. Ready? A.
B. B.
Very good.
B. T.
Close.
I.
Very good. What's this one?
G.
Very good.
I.
A.
T.
No.
I.
Very good. Very good. What else can you say? M.
O.
O. Very good. Mom. Very good.
Mama.
Let's do a couple other letters. How about this one?
B.
B. Yes. How about this one?
B.
That's it. P. There you go.
E.
Very good. Good job, Abby.